Is your quality department facing these critical challenges? Inadequate quality and production planning. Poor reporting to management. High costs due to faulty processes, lack of audit, lack of supplier communication. Poor employee communication and engagement. Procedures and instructions not written or updated. Breakdown in customer relationships. High cost of training and development. Lack of transparency in supplier evaluation. Extra manpower cost for data management and reporting. Lack of monitoring for audit planning and non-conformities. Non-compliance in second-party and third-party audits. High turnover and shortage in quality and production employees. Introducing YYAN, a quality management system designed for manufacturing and automotive processes. YYAN strengthens the effective implementation of 8D methodology into processes. It minimizes the human dependence in process adherence and management reporting. Complaint management system. Problem solving using standard 8D methodology. Auto creation of PTDB and lesson learned. Automatic plotting of fishbone diagram. Generation of 8D report in the customer-defined format. Audit management system. Ensures better audit planning. Ensures qualified auditor selected for audit. Monitoring of all planned audits and non-conformities. Automated updation of supplier audit score to avoid manipulation. Supplier management system. Setting supplier targets for evaluation. Supplier evaluation. Supplier communication, target versus actual. Interact with complaint management system for supplier complaints. A dashboard view for all the stakeholders. Up to 45% reduction in customer complaints achieved annually. improves and streamlines existing procedures and processes. Saves tremendous cost and time. Allows horizontal deployment of auditor nonconformity countermeasures. Tracks compliance to relevant parameters. Evaluates supplier performance. Improved and standardized reports. System-generated triggers for milestones. Enforces effectiveness monitoring. %100 increase in customer satisfaction. For inquiries and demo, please reach us at info@paragot.com. www.paragot.com